Hi, I'm Emma and I help you learn DIY. Today we're going to be salvaging this damaged solid wood table. I could have repaired this with some glue and wood filler, but I'm looking for a slightly cooler look. So I'm going to round all of the edges of this table, and by the end of this video, we're going to have this table looking as new. For this DIY, I'm going to be using the Dremel 3000. If you have a Dremel of a similar wattage, that will work too. I have on here the shaping platform and the sanding band. With this, I can use it to rest it flat on the table as I sand around the corner. But first, safety precautions. You can start on a lower speed to see what feels comfortable and move your way up from there. To round these corners, I decided to use speed 8. I also moved the shaping platform up and down depending on where I wanted to sand. The grit that I'm using for this is 120 grit. So there we have it, a straightforward DIY that you can do from home. We've not only salvaged this table, we've given it a whole new look, and I think it looks great.